Ebusian for GhanaNsem TV GH, message or like, comment, subscribe with a notification so that anytime videos of this nature are uploaded, you'll be notified. Ebusian for Honorable Kennedy, you're a very fine gentleman, fine man. You're one of the biggest assets, one of the biggest exports also of the New Patriotic Party. That is the truth. Or you're a force to reckon with our New Patriotic Party anymore. Nanso. Nyama Bawumia no be a course before 2024 election. No, I show say Honorable Kennedy indeed has some questions to answer. Now, the first and paramount one, yaka since time immemorial, and they say, Asema Kwame A+ Bekaye no. Till ene, we are still expecting say Honorable Kennedy of Japan will come and clarify that. Second one, any say, Kofo Bebre ewa ye party ma, now we a parliamentary candidate. Revelations eba say Honorable Kennedy Onwane Sika allegedly Eddie sponsor opposition candidates no Eddie tia omo because of vendetta, and I say Baku mienu be echo so before election. Now Honorable Kennedy has not been able to forgive or let go of. Now say same nyina no idea Honorable Kennedy has to come and answer to it. And the central region for delegates kasa na mkasa munyina ne say Honorable Kennedy yepe wasempa yenyanka yebeto abanama, but yesro say yekoto abamawa unya obi a utimidi asem nche na se untimi fa asem nche nso a, how do we expect say every man now be second in command our party anymore? No, you are going to forgive people who did not maybe support you, who did not campaign for you, people who might have said something in the past to offend you. How is it going to happen? No one knows. No one is able to tell. Unsu na uka debia se unsro obia udo obeka wadwe unsro obia unti obia se. Na unya nye flag bearer mpo a unsro obia unti obia se no. Na obeye flag bearer die. How would how is the party going to work? Right? Enti when you na nsema delegates no ebisa Honorable Kennedy ebra oko central region. And so far no, the delegates we have been speaking with, they are not convinced with the reply, the answers that have been given. Not at all convinced, and there is something must be done about it. Honorable Ken, your campaign is falling apart if these questions are not answered, if these allegations are not replied. I am for a very good contest in January, and that is what I'm looking forward to. And so I pray, sir, the Ken campaign will quickly come up with an answer, a reply to this, and then we'll have a good contest come 31st January. For GhanaNsem TV GH, don't go anywhere. The news is up next. I'll see you in the next one. Cheers.
Obia, what me a Jina bedroom?
Yes.
Akase wa cross the carpet.
I will be the attire to a
Blamɛ Bawumia tade atu afa NDC di ase. Internal election aso. Na Honorable Ken Japan no makofa no na kosi na 2. Na akodi Bawumia tema owia no watwa antro se do me kwa benya Bawumia nya 5,000 and my kukwe enya 50,000 nti Bawumia enya credible person say to abafama no. So now so bi gina baby ka say Honorable Ken Japan boa NDC for Ekuma party no a evidence in the da ho no.
Evidence very clear.
Evidence the da ho no. And obi obeka say bia you can't blame him. Evidence in here. Evidence in here.
Alo who be? That baby. Say I want your question am tadam ko ye na ba ko ye yezu za. Afia mo tian no say eh ken. Oh. Mentia say internal election kakra ye beko. Na mo de mo adwin say ye be di attract nipa so. Ye be twa nsem a enye no kra afa nipa ho. Ena me hunu say kwabena kra bia kwabena santini page na yi bi da ho. A wo de omodi fake aboso. Say say o ma sheda akotwere bibi say
o ma send box SMS.
Say Dr. Bawumia ekoje emwa efri side fo bi ho ena de be ni camp. What is this? Can I Japan muntu mo bo ase kakra. Na you are not born a president. You can't be a president. And then me can ha. Can I Japan? When you're president, ya ngo se be president. Untimi nye president. Enti to bo ase. party MPP won't me send no and send the
never
because of your selfish interests. Won't me Canada won't me send MPP. When also can find them fathers but MPP overtold. Said the me but 2 you know.
He no found a father.
And he said, why you so desperate? I'm a Jimboni be about him, sir. And you what? And you will be our boy. Oh, boy. Party no soon, one cast out soon. And 20 minutes MPP. The other know why you say money in every see. And that the alcohol find this in United Number Travel TV, so no, I did Dr. Bawumia. Then I was just as you.
That's right. So quickly, no, so better touch on this.
Oh, no, I mean, political VR. Yeah, draw a line.
Yati feeling gadochi.
Me pamocho.
Yati obi ode ko mehwe nwom no de ko
my thought in you me pacho so when ya bulk messages be GhanaNsem he de nyina fa Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia bia no ntro and atiase say almost started say de moya wo north wo no ye be bi wo south says north ye wo dey south ye de Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia mi na no ka say region bi aye ne dia onu nkambom ne policies no preach ena omusan baaye ebe start kan minority ena mu ya kan for me kasa wa kan mu atwere mu na muntie next one ena omu dia akoduru ho send bulk message say Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia ne sadifo akwakoye no ma bi na honorable Ken na to shi wan fesika ma ka campaign e beto aso into be support you be na to shi nansen no de kakra ba na utumi san start biom se no wo fie. So what is the problem? What is really the problem? Who so yes can no na this kasem buy Brian buy na acceleration call from
say there me na me ka say Delegates Adani Lazarus njakoya din the Delegates is can you say Adani Lazarus nyani enti atu omani akeka obi a yeko prime minister akoyi presidential candidate ya mo sha say this ka and ye dey wiska ye dey wiska ye dey bi adwuma ye dey wiska afedu ba bi a mo ya den ne de mo so na mo di atem so obi cheska na no say how a kumsin cheska am say na dey afedu Delegates Adani Lazarus wana mana mo say this ka ba wi assist na obi tue bia na musu
odisika to
prana na no de obi tue bia musu
me da say enche me da say bre no be but finance minister call parliament GhanaNsem bi say enomo ba yi na ama ECG ekonenim na ECG etimi enya 1.2 billion ewo omo revenue mu na sa asem no ntro na niti a ntro no say you see abra na Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia ka kire Ghana for say see ye digitalization na eboa emi human interface efiri mu na enema timi ko nanim no na NDC for AD atem sa abre no oka ma menhwe me wo sa tape no ha oka Bawumia osi o Bawumia de oka bibia
am say digitalization
osi digitalization oka bibia osi digitalization yes na oka kire Ghana for say very soon so why focus it no one digitalize the economy now you have no economy left. I have the tape here.
Unfortunately, many people still do not appreciate the link between digitalization and economic development. I've heard some people even ask why I have abandoned economics for digitalization. Far from abandoning economics, the reality is that in this era of the fourth industrial revolution, if you don't digitalize your economy, you will not have much of an economy left. Period.
Enti where Dr. Bawumia ewo 2023 and responded to NDC for claims and that's where there is a year atofo se kan san asem no me kɔ hwehwɛ information kakra na somewhere 2023 but me send you screenshot Dr. Bawumia a general statement for one no as a digitalization no any ECG passport office revenue up after digitalization agenda and here Bawumia that was the date you know
July 27
2023 and no can say no na that's me o data kakra as at the time you know na ECG revenue but obetimi ayi it way the general one so about ECG or passport of any Hong Kong as at 2023 no na ECG revenue MPP ba memo beto no 450 million Ghana cedis as at October 2023 no na edu 1.2 billion Ghana cedis passport office and so no revenue no munya 1 million a year as at 2016 edu 2023 no na akọ 64 million from 1 million no
to 64 million
64 million
more than 600%.
DVLA na DVLA for so no almost 71.5 million digitalization e buy no a new movie called 168.4 million which is our 136%. If you are not about customs, before I say paperless in Bebano, now customs for to me 10.3 billion. Paperless net, you know, no to me 16.1 billion. It's way any where institutions are hold now the government is focused make sure institutions where all these figures no be at 2023. It took off 2024 figures no. Ubehu say akoso okay so for screenshot ni bi bra me the screenshot ni bi ni publications e buy no na all the bar na fi yen check date no na yen hwe se hwan e na e ka no kore na hwan e na e twa entro so yen fa 2 yen to aso from 2 na yen fa nchire for as 2 so fa 2 no a ubehu so say how ECG's revenue increased from 450 million Ghana cedi to 1.2 billion Ghana cedis Bawumia where year 27 July 2023 nti eno na wo ho church ni nyina digitalization no but yen call passport office or say passport office revenues improved from 1 million Ghana cedi to 17 in 2017 to 56 million Ghana cedi in 2021 and we cry 56 million no 2021 nti we so no publication no Kesben for NAA July 14 2022 and a Kesben for ASR publication we saw from 1 million in 2017 to 56 million in 2021. Okay. Yanko your friend is saying passport office. So passport office or see DVLA for so my increase your revenue by 400%. And you know na me say a free 71.5 million equal 168.4 million. That is the effect of Bawumia. Now, finally, no, my yemfa idea no, Kanofurata call Parliament. Oh, okay, sorry, me send it the wrong. Me send it Kanofurata. So Kanofurata call Parliament, no, and no koko jina Parliament. And no catch say MP4 MPs ne say, Ghana your revenue no, nya ewo ECG no, etimi akonenim. Me hwehwe okay. I think I've got it. Na Senebeya will to me that share T4. Na T4 so ato force in parliament na oko claim say omunu ai bibia wo boa. Enti fa no so eto so no major online for and the publish here. No so ye October 21, 2024. So as at October 21, 2024, na Ghana yatimia movie revenue no from 700 million to 1.3 billion. ECG revenue from 1.3 billion, from 700 to 1.3 billion.
Almost doubled.
Now, we say NDC are buying say, or buy no, we movie revenue. You say at the end, why yeah? At the end, move. Nah, but you were free so.
Okay, meters no.
Yes,
meters ne dey at text.
Yes, so
ato force ne commission say juma.
So near ECG revenue na moving in digitalization or say. And then I hear the silent game changer. ECG digitalization no, and the smart prepaid meters introduced to reduce leakages. And then meters nana ye beto abana make ho asem no. We ye no free honoma mobile payment platform for customers' convenience. Nti say ye dey mobile money no a link here na oda mu kura wetimi to ECG PP.
Na jobe 2 kunkun na kan ye dum no say wa fa phone. Na sa so.
Automated billing system to cut human interface. First, you say obi ne mekwa ko gina
meter no de opebia no de
na odi a share ni mu.
Me ka say kuma say asko na efie etimu because ko hard like be 3 months continuous. Be the labor no enu an ba say o me ready enti what one no atwere
no issue bi dia ba.
Enti before 3 months die no the bia bill come say identity data bia ye num nkania.
Enti data analytics to identify and reduce losses. And that's where we can so omo introduce data analytics so that on betimi aye analysis no na identify na reduce ECG losses omo eye no. So where here some of the year Bawumia and ECG no di gu ho and during sabre no na omo introduce Haptel into the business.
Omo say Haptel say utua bia 1 cedi bia ko Bawumia ho. Say the auto force one.
Afed the na
say utua
ECG revenue from 450 to 1.3 billion at force in Safedi or more. At force in Safedi, a asset is a way crown as I see a room because asset October 2024 ECG enya share asset a main trade data no Yohana Fama. My share as I say investigating at force and share asset January 2021 na ECG a year 1.47 March 2022 na ECG year 1.45 December 2023 na ECG year 1.57 and December 2025 na ECG year 1.67. So if a net at
December
2024 na ECG revenue year 1.67 billion. And see a quarter say from 1.67 billion in 2024 no ahino the account. A movie from 2021 to 2024 no from 1.47 to 1.45 to 1.57 to 1.67. Oh, send you a movie no growth no echo no nti yesi ekwohwe say
no the abeka ho. He say do some. How much you do?
Say I don't know. Akwara bi o say odidi ni papa din ho. Nti ono ne papa no ne din pa waje no na akwara ndi nam. No no dey enjoy. Ebi na NDC fo ye ni sesei. Wo mu didi na nado ane Dr. Bawumia din ho. Policies a omo de baaye no. Eno na sesei sustain economy na wo mo di dwa o manum no. Ba sa me yo no amamu dey sa na.
Okay, menya figure no so 2024 1.67.
Yeah.
And na to force e kan budget no. O so omo de call 1.7.
Okay, nti
3 or the 0.3 or the 3 million and na account 3 million
and odi dwa na num
susu dwa na num o my movie e de call has dwa na num
ne wa
should be factual say na ho
o say
susu dwa na num susu dwa na num ne wa ne ti ha oh
and then mo friend na e me ya say
ye birthday akwe
ya chi wo
e say me ko hwehwe sa anwum no na ka me di esi so
ema to